How to enable Instagram data saver. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can enable data saver option on your Instagram. So let's start. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up Instagram on your mobile phone. Once you have opened up your Instagram, then what I want you to do is simply go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, then you have to click on these three lines right here above on the top of your screen. It will open up the menu for you. Then simply click on settings. Once you go to settings, then go to account. In account, if you scroll down, then you will find the option of cellular data use. Click on it and you will be able to find the data saver option. What you have to do is simply slide it to the right and it will enable your data saver option. And now your data saver is turned on. Videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. If you want to disable it, you can simply go ahead and again uncheck it and you can enable it whenever you want to. Now your data saver is enabled. You can simply go back to using your Instagram and use less mobile data. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.